Welcome to another maths video with Mr. Connor. In this video, we will be finding a fraction of a group. Okay, so question 4. We are still on the revision page that will be done tomorrow. For each of the following fraction problems, write down a division number sentence and then solve it. So what you do is you say, for a, what is 1/8 of 32 apples? So you say 1/8 of 32 apples. Now there are 32 apples. The rule here when finding a fraction of a group, you take 32, divide by 8. So you divide by the denominator and you multiply the numerator. The answer that you get from division, you take that answer and you multiply by the numerator. So 32 divided by 8. How many times can 8 go into 32? 8, 16, 24, 32. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 32 divided by 8 will equal to 4. Well done. Then you take 4 times by 1 and it will still give you 4. So your answer is 4. So 1/8 of 32 apples is 4 apples. Let's move on to our next example. What is 1/6 of 300 beans? Now you'll have to say 300 divided by 6. Instead of doing that, you can just say 30 divided by 6. What is 30 divided by 6? So you say 1/6 of 300 beans. So let's cancel out the 0 for now. Remember that we cancelled out the 0. Okay, so now you'll tell yourself 30 divided by 6. How many times can 6 go into 30? So let's count. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Right. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 30 divided by 6 will equal to 5. 30 divided by 6 equals to 5. Now if you were to say 300 divided by 6, it would be 50. You just add a 0. So my answer is 50. So 1/6 of 300 will equal to 50 beans. So that will be a fraction of 300. The fraction we are dealing with is 1/6. That will be 50 beans. Of the 300 beans, 1/6 of those 300 beans will equal to 50. Last question. 1/7 of 427. Now for this example, I would like you to do long division. Let's begin. Okay, so your dividend will be 427. Your divisor is 7. We'll start. Now how many times can 7 go into 4? It cannot. Then you ask yourself, how many times can 7 go into 42? That will be 6 times. All right, 6 above the 2. Then you multiply 7 times 6 equals to 42. You subtract 42 minus 42 equals to 0. Now we have a number to bring down, which is 7. Then you ask yourself, how many times can 7 go into 7, which means 7 divided by 7. It'll equal to 1. Then you multiply 7 times 1, 7. Subtract 7 minus 7 equals to 0. So we now know that 427 divided by 7 will equal to 61. You take 61, multiply by the numerator, it will give you 61. So 1/7 of 427 plums will be 61. You have taken out 61 plums out of the 427 plums. You have taken a 1/7 of it. That is my final answer. I hope that this has helped you understand the question much more. Okay, we will do more examples in class tomorrow. This is just to prepare you for tomorrow's activity.